Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable night shift on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your system settings, and once you've done that, you want to simply scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find displays. And now this is where on the bottom right there is going to be a night shift button. Simply go ahead and click on that. Now you can simply go ahead and turn on and schedule it right over here. So for example, you're gonna sleep at 9 p.m. Just go ahead and put 9 p.m. And if you wake up at 4, then just go ahead and put that right over there. And then color temperature, you can play around with it. If you make it more warm, then your off-screen motion is gonna simply go ahead and be affected, but it is gonna go ahead and provide some comfort to the eye. Or if you're not in a nighttime and if you want a daytime thing, so you can simply go ahead and have a less warm option. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and on the next one.